If the heated or ventilated seats suddenly stop working in your Kia Sportage, the first thing you should check is the fuse. The fuses for the heated and ventilated seats in 4th generation Kia Sportage are located in the passenger compartment fuse box. Open the driver's door and you will find the fuse box cover on the dashboard, near the steering wheel. Carefully pull the cover straight out to access the fuses inside the fuse box. On the back of the cover, you will find a diagram showing what each fuse controls. There are 2 fuses for the heated and ventilated seats. Near the middle of the diagram, you will see a 20 amp fuse that has heated seats symbol and also labeled as FRT, meaning front. That will be this fuse in the fuse box. This fuse is for front driver and passenger heated seats or heated and ventilated seats, depending on how your vehicle is equipped. Now right below this fuse, there is another fuse with heated seat symbol and is labeled as rear. This fuse is for rear heated seats if your vehicle is equipped with this feature. Before testing the fuse, turn on the ignition or start the engine. This is necessary to supply power to the circuit. Now grab your test light. Attach the ground clip to a clean metal surface, like an unpainted board on the door or under the dash. Then use the probe to touch the 2 small metal contact points on top of the fuse. If the test light illuminates on both sides, the fuse is good. But if the light only comes on for one side, that means the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. If you don't have a test light, you can also pull out the fuses to inspect them visually. Use a fuse puller or a pair of needle nose pliers to pull out the fuses. Once the fuses are out, hold it up to a light and look through the plastic body. Inside you will see a tiny metal strip. If the strip is intact, the fuse is still good. But if the metal strip is broken or you can see burn marks or discoloration, that means the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. Here is an example of a blown fuse. Notice how the metal strip inside is broken or melted. If the fuse is bad, replace it with a new fuse of the same amperage rating. That is 20 amps in this case. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wisdom for more car troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.